Yeah, I have to show this, right? So that those who didn't attend, they can see the class. Hmm. Substitute this value of b dash in this one and find out capital M. Small m is 2 kg. It's very simple question. Come on. Are you able to do or not? Or shall I solve this? Yes or no? Okay, let me see. Turn on your cameras, everyone. Let me see. What are you doing? Yeah. 'B dash? 6 by 5. 6 by 5 means 1.2. Okay, try this question. Just equate P initial and P final. Same thing. Splits into two particles of mass. Excuse me. Both makes what 45 angle with the original direction. This particle, it's moving here with this one and with this one, it makes 45 degree. In the same direction. Yeah. So what is the initial condition? What's the value of initial? Yes, what's the initial value? Equal to final value. Any idea? Want me to solve? Yes, tell me. How much is the last? Is anybody able to solve or not? Okay, enough time taken. Let me solve it. we are saying this mass collide with something and it splits into two. Initial moving direction is this. It splits into two at 45 degrees. So in x direction, if I take this for let's name it above one and below one, final condition is mv cos 45 and below mv cos 45 both. So cos 45 again. And on the initial condition, we'll see there is m1 into v. Okay. Finally, it became 0. So speed at this one. Okay. For this one, v finally is 0. And still it is moving. So m so we have two mass here, 2v, v, m, and 45. Okay. That's it. The question is done. M2v plus 2mv equals to, yes, somebody type option D. Let's check. I don't know. Let me solve this. Yeah, 0 mv dash cos 45 mv dash cos 45. So this is 2 times of mv dash cos 45. And this side is 4 times. 4 mv equals to 2 mv dash cos 45 means 1 by root 2. Okay, yeah, will get cancelled, 2 and 2. So b 2 root 2 equals to dash. Yes, correct option. I will say it's correct. Okay, this question is good. So not easy only, but just a little bit lengthy. So have patience and solve it. Don't use Google, uncle. Have patience and solve it. I'll paste diagram also. there is V value. Okay, try this. Shall I give you a hint or you will do it? Same initial final, compare. This is 30 on that side, 10 sine 30, 10 cos 30 on right side. And should be inside. No, yeah, correct. So V1 will be on this way too. Need any help? Or you're doing it? Yes, guys. Are you able to solve? Say something so I can understand. Yeah, you're doing it. Yeah. Anjali, you there? Yes, Anish. Any answer you got, or you're still finding it? Mohammed Jafar. Are you able to found answer? Like you're doing it? Shruti. And Vishwanath. What's your answer? We gave some answer, wait. No, this was previous answer. No? It's very easy. Come on. Do you want me to solve like little bit? If you can't speak, you can type answer like Vishwanath. He's sending answer like that. Okay, then let me solve here. Enough time. First thing, you need to resolve this components. Okay. If I draw It got stuck. 1 second, guys. Hey, one node crashed. Hmm. Okay. For resolving into components, what we'll do here, this is where V1 is going, this direction. So cos this side, V1 cos 30, again 10 cos 30. V1 cos 30, 10 cos 30. That is 10 sin 30. So this is V2. Sorry, this is V2. This should be V2. Let me draw it properly. Yeah, somebody give answer. Yes, what is it? Option D. Let me search. Option D 6.3. Yes, boy, that's correct. Very good. So first resolve into components. V1 is 2 V1 cos 30, V2 cos 45. Next, here V2 sin 45 above V1 sin 30. As this moving here, 10 cos 30, and this will be 10 sin 30. Here, 5 cos 45, this one, 5 sin 45. Now we can write here initial and final, initial equals to final. First in x direction, then in y direction. So in x direction, what you will get, check. In y direction, what you will get, same. X and y, find for x direction. Initial and final. M into, we have 10 cos 45, sorry 30, plus next what is given, 2m. 2m into 5 sin 45, which is equals to m into b2 sin 45, sorry cos 45. Next direction plus 2m into V1 cos 30. V1 cos 30, cos 30, 45. Yeah, that's it. So to simplify this, will get cancelled. V2 will be V1. Okay. Same thing you do for y direction also. You solve this for y direction. Let me just V1 sin 30, 10 sin 30, V2 sin 45, sin 45. Okay. So M into 10 cos 30. I'm sorry, sin 30. Vertical, right? Yeah. Sin 30 in opposite direction minus 2m into 5 cos 45 equals to same way m v2 sin 45 minus 2m v1 sin 30. Here what you will get? 5, 3 plus 1 by root 2 equals to mm will get cancelled. Same way v2 by root 2 plus v1 root 3. Y direction it's like a m will get cancelled again. V1 we have, so 5 minus 2 equals to 5 root 2. 5 is already there. 5 root 2 v2 as it is by root 2 minus v. Yes. If we solve this both equation 1 and 2, we'll get the values as 6.5. Do we have option 6.5? 6.5, and that is for first one, V1. Now same thing you find for V2, you get option 6.3. That is option D. This one, like 2 equation 2 unknown, we can solve that. We solve it later. At least you understood this part, right? And doubt in this one? Only Vishwanath gave answer. What about others? Are you able to understand this question? Or shall I explain this again? Yes or no? If you're not, okay. What about Anjali? She's not opening. She's not unmuting. Shruti? Doubt in this question? Mohammed Jafar? Nope. Should not solved. Okay. Fine. Let's solve then next question. If you understood, then solve next question. Point 2, the 3 block. Yeah. Try this question. This is a little bit not, it's easy only. It's not tough, but just try it. Start solving. I'll paste diagram 2. There's a diagram given with option. Diagram as usual, simple diagram. Yeah. Yes, Tanishq, you doing it right? Yeah, good. Yes. Anything? It's very easy. Come on. F equals, sorry, W equals to Fx. And for spring, you know X energy, right? Half kx square. Use both equation. So kinetic energy will be both, addition of both. Final minus initial. Final velocity you find out. Initial velocity find out. Kx we have. No, we don't have. What are things we have? It will be in equation form. So first work done equals to change in kinetic energy. So net work done equals to external force, work done with external force per plus work done by spring, external and work done by spring. Both you can add. W equals to F dot X for external. External force. Let's write EXT. So W for spring. That is that we know kx square. Energy equals to kx square, half kx square. It means change in kinetic energy equals to force into x minus half kx square. Now this is also equals to not delta k final minus k initial equals to f of x, f into x. So kinetic energy, what's the value of kinetic energy? Final and initial? Initial is 0, obviously, because it is at rest. It's given in question. So final half mv max, maximum speed. That is f. Now we don't know x value. How we will find x value? By those f equals to kx, x equals to f by k, spring constant, f by k minus 1 by 2 k f square by k square. Again, here this side it will be f square by k minus half f square by k. That will give you f square by 2k 1 by 2 mv max square. Half will cancel. That's it. V max equals to f by under root mk. So do we have option like this? F by under root mk? Yes. Option B. Are you able to understand or just I'm solving simply? Yes, are you able to understand what I'm doing? Okay. Anish said yes. What about others? Okay, boy. See the question again, analyze it, what we did. Then we'll go to the next question. See, after solving, always check that question, what we did, why we are doing this. Understand that, analyze it. If you have solved, find the mistakes. If you have not solved, then learn it. How to solve. Yeah, done? Okay. Shrinath and Tanishka are there. What about others? Shruti, Mohammed Jafar. No. And Anjali. All three are not there. At least you can type your answer in like a chat box. Okay, let's go for next then. You tired? Shall I continue? Tanish has yes for everything. Very good. Should I continue, right?
Yes, sir.
Then let me give you one good question. We don't have that much time. But then let's solve small question. Okay. Yeah, we can solve this one. It's easy. It was asked in 10th date. 10th April, no, 10th January 2019, shift 2. Oh, by the way, all these are January only, right? Jan, this, oh, April. Yeah, there's a different date. This is also April, April, this April. Okay, try this question. It's very easy. If you want a hint, I can give you, but you try first. If you're not able to solve, I'll give you a hint. It's very, very easy. Come on. Simple. Find f w equals to f dot d. Then use work energy theorem. W equals to K2 K final minus K initial. Initial is, I think so, yeah, given. Initial is given. Subtract it. No, I mean, subtract or add. K, W equals to K2 minus K1. So, yeah, it will be adding. 3 joule is given. So, find out W. What will be W? If I calculate orally, 3 4 12. And J will be 0. So 12. So answer should be 15. Yeah. See, like this, you just do oral calculation. Practice for oral calculation. How I calculated just now, you do same way. Because it will save your time and you already solve one question within a second. See, that what I did here, we need to find work done so that I can use work energy theorem. Okay, see the question there. Even I won't use pen also. See, force is given, force into displacement. And for in displacement, we have only ith term. So j term is 0. So 3 4s are 12. 12 is work done. So work done equals to kf minus ki. K final minus k initial. So k initial is given 3 joules. So k final will be w plus k initial. So it is 3 plus 12, 15. So answer should be 15. Where is my pen? Yeah, here. In this one, yeah, we ticked. Clear? Easy? Okay. Okay then, so let's stop sharing.